This is our Bosch tankless water heater. Comes in two sizes, 160,000, 199,000. My LEDs in the front. Okay. So inside the unit, basically this is how everything works. That's natural or LP. We give you an LP orifice with it. That goes right here where these 4 screws are. You insert it. But what we do different with this unit is we're actually bringing the water down here. This is a stainless steel secondary heat exchanger here. So what's happening right here is water's coming into these bays, and what it's actually doing, it's actually taking the cold water as it comes in, and it's going through 3 stainless steel tubes in there. Each of the stainless steel tubes internally have 50 smaller stainless steel baffled tubes. What we do is we bring the water in and we absorb all the latent heat out of the flue gas. It's really neat how this works. Once we do that, we bring the water up through the main heat exchanger, which is copper. And as it comes up there, basically it's coming down here. This is a stabilization valve at the bottom we prevent sandwiching with. So we're going to take some heat out of the boiler or some cold water out of the water valve here. Whatever you set your temperature, you set it at 120, it's always going to maintain 120 for you. But at the bottom, basically these are 3/4 inch NPT threads. And what they do, they're cleanouts. They either have a cap on it, and this one has a ball valve on it. So every now and then, depending on the application, you're going to have to clean a tankless water heater at that point. So basically we got the water valves built right into you. There are a lot of the great features and benefits that this has for a contractor.